Hey, my beauties, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the subtle signs that he's thinking about you before he even sleeps. And honestly, these are super cute and spicy. These are the tiny habits, texts, or thoughts that happen when he's alone. And they show just how much you're on his mind. I've put in so much effort to make this video accurate and relatable, so you're going to notice these signs everywhere. Stick around till the end, because after this, you'll realize he might be thinking of you more than you ever imagined. And that's honestly addictive to catch. 1. He sends you random goodnight texts. Even if it's late and he doesn't have to, he takes the time to send a simple goodnight message. It might be something cute like, sleep tight, dream about something fun, or even a playful emoji combo. These little gestures show that you're the last person on his mind before he sleeps. He doesn't just do it out of habit. It's intentional in a subtle way. Sometimes he'll add a personal touch, like referencing a joke you shared earlier that day or asking how your day ended. Those messages are his way of creating a soft connection before the night ends. Even if it's just a few words, they leave a lasting impression and show you're important to him. 2. He scrolls through your pictures or chats. Many guys secretly take a few minutes before bed to look at your pictures or read old conversations. He's not trying to be creepy, he's reminiscing about your moments together. For example, he might scroll through your last funny selfie or read your text that made him laugh that day. It's that quiet, private time where you occupy his thoughts without him even telling you. He's thinking about your laugh, your voice, and your presence. That little habit shows that you've naturally become part of his nightly routine, and the memories he revisits are a mix of nostalgia and affection. It's low-key, adorable, and totally telling. 3. He remembers little details about you. Before sleeping, he might recall small things you said during the day. Your favorite song, a story you told, or even the way you laughed at a joke. For instance, he might think, she said she loves strawberry milkshakes. I should get that next time. That shows you're not just in his thoughts, you're in his plans and imagination. These little mental notes make him more attentive without you realizing. Your quirks, preferences, and tiny details are being stored in his mind, and it's what makes him feel connected even when he's alone. That's exactly how guys start thinking about you subconsciously every night. 4. He sends random late-night memes or messages. Sometimes he might text a funny meme, a song link, or even a short voice note just before bed. These are small ways to stay on your radar even in quiet hours. For example, he might send a meme about a situation you both laughed about earlier, or a song that reminds him of you. These random messages aren't accidental. They're a soft way of staying connected. He wants to make you smile and end your day on a good note. Even if it's subtle, that's him thinking of you as his last happy thought before sleeping. 5. He checks on you before sleeping. If he asks, did you sleep well, or how's your night going before logging off, he's thinking about you in his final moments of the day. It's not just curiosity, it's genuine concern and attention. For example, he might message, hope you're comfy and cozy now, to make you feel cared for. These actions show that you're a part of his mental bedtime routine. Even small check-ins make him think about you and your comfort. That soft attention signals you're on his mind without him having to say, I like you, and it's honestly heart-melting. 6. He reminisces about moments together before sleep. He might think back to the moments you spent together. Fun conversations, playful teasing, or cute memories. He's replaying the laughter, your expressions, or the way you made him feel happy. For instance, he might remember a silly inside joke that made him laugh uncontrollably. Those mental replays show that you're occupying space in his heart and mind, making him smile quietly before drifting off. He's creating a memory loop in his head, which makes him feel closer to you even when you're apart. That habit is a subtle but strong indicator that you're on his mind constantly. 7. He imagines future moments with you. Some guys go to bed thinking about what they could do with you next, whether it's planning a cute date, sending a text tomorrow, or imagining a fun conversation. For example, he might think, I want to show her this new cafe I found, or she would love this song. These thoughts are him mentally connecting with you and creating little dreams where you're a part of his life. That imagination signals deep interest because you're not just in his present thoughts, you're in his envisioned future. It's subtle, but it makes him impossible to forget in the long run. So, my beauties, these little habits show how much he's thinking about you before he sleeps. From random messages to mental memories and future imaginings, every action is a quiet signal that you're important to him. If you loved this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more cute, spicy, and Gen Z content. And tell me in the comments which one of these signs you've caught in your crush. Trust me, these little habits are impossible to ignore.